all I heard when my husband got home from having lunch with his friends. He ordered shrimp scampi, and he knew immediately that I could make it better at home. So I have everything ready to go. The water's going, salted, and my can's nice and hot, ready to go. So let's go do this. All right, let's add some olive oil and some butter. And let that sizzle. Let's add our shrimp. This is 2 pounds of shrimp, washed, deveined, and deshelled. And all I use for seasoning was salt and pepper. A squeeze of lemon. A little bit of pepper. I'm not going to cook these all the way through. And a little bit more salt. And some red pepper. Now, of course, our white wine. I'm going to use a cup. All right, now we're going to add our garlic. 6 cloves of garlic. I love garlic. And I always add a little bit of clam juice. Now our pasta's ready to go in. We're going to transfer our pasta into our sauce. Oh. I only cooked it partially. All right. Then we're going to put this on low. Just going to let this cook for a few minutes. Oh, know what we forgot? Our pasta water. I'm just going to give it 2 scoops. 2 scoops. I'm just going to let this cook for at least maybe 5 minutes. Then we're going to add our shrimp. And then we're just going to let it chill. More butter, guys. We're just going to throw in the butter. Now we're going to add our shrimp. And we're just going to have this simmer until everything comes together. So far, it looks beautiful. Our scampi is done. Oh, he gets the pepper. I get the eggplant. Some juice. Have to have the juice. A squeeze of lemon. Some basil. I'm just going to rip it. Not rip, tear. Some Parmesan cheese. I'm working around the shrimp. And some hot pepper. Oh, wrong side. Just a sprinkle. He doesn't like the heat. I prefer the heat. And there you have it. Shrimp scampi. Is it better at home? Yeah, I think so. Thanks for watching. So if you like these sort of videos, give me a like, a subscribe, follow, and send me a comment. For the love of Ma. Thanks, Ma. It is a pretty dish. What do you say? $25, $30 at a restaurant? Let me know in the comments. I'm calling it. Let me know.